Hi, Mrs. Bright. Skills to turn information into a brochure. First thing that you guys need to do is we're going to change the orientation of our document so that it is landscape instead of portrait. So you're going to go to page layout, orientation, and change it to landscape. And if you zoom out down here in the bottom corner, you can get a better idea of what that looks like. Next thing that I want to do is I want to put it into 3 columns. So I am going to select all, that's Control A. It'll select all of your text. And then we want to go to page layout, page setup group, columns, and we're going to set that to 3 columns. There we go, I accidentally hit the left button. Then we're going to justify our text. So we're going to go to the Home tab, and you'll notice it looks kind of jagged on the edges. So to make it look nice and straight like a newspaper, we're just going to go to the Home tab, paragraph group, click Justify. Starting to look a little bit nicer. Next thing that we want to do is format our title as a title. We're going to go to the Home tab, Styles group, make that a title. Then we're going to select all of the other headings and make them headings. You can even at this point double click your format painter and just paint over the other headings so that you don't have to keep clicking the heading button. That's your format painter, and then uncheck it. Next thing that we want to do is choose a theme and a color scheme. So page layout, design. We're going to go here and choose themes. If you hover over each of the themes, you'll see how your fonts and your colors change. So you can hover over the different ones. If you choose this one but you decided that the blues and the yellows aren't working for you, at this point you can go up to color schemes, hover over the different color schemes until you find one that you really like, and it will change for you at that point. You can even change your background color by going to page color, and now your colors match your theme. So it keeps everything consistent. We're going to take our pictures and adjust the text wrapping. I double click the picture, click the layout options button, and you hover over the text wrapping options until you get square. Then you can just nudge the picture until you get it to the place that you like. There we go. You can also add different picture effects when you double click on these pictures. If you hover over these effects, that adds a nice little effect. I'm going to go ahead and center this picture, maybe left align it. If need be, you can adjust your margins so that you have more or less space on the side. That's page layout. Margins, you can either do custom margins or you can choose narrow margins. And sometimes you're going to want to do some custom bullets. So I'm going to select those 3 lines. We're going to go to the Home tab. I can just click the bullet button, but that's pretty simple and not as exciting as if we went to Define New Bullet, choose a picture, and then you can search for a picture that works for those bullet points. So I need to search for something related to a Dude Ranch vacation. I'm just going to choose a black horse. And now I have a bullet point that is a horse, so that matches better. Another thing that you would like to do in a brochure is add Smartart of some sort. So click wherever you want that to appear. Then we're going to go to Insert, Smartart. And you can choose any one of these that you think will work for your particular subject or topic. You can also change the color schemes up here. There's different color schemes that might look better. You can also change the effects by choosing one of the Smartart styles.